Let's take a look at some YouTube search strategies. Most people are familiar with the search bar at the top. Of course, you can simply type in your search term there, and then YouTube does try to recommend some specific suggestions for you. You can hit enter or click on one of those. So this narrows me down to about 500,000. I could have also hit the magnifying glass to do the same thing as enter. But notice over on the right there's a filter option. Now this can help you reduce the number of hits you have to something more specific to what you're looking for. Maybe you want just short videos, something less than 4 minutes. I could click on that and it shows me just short ones. I could filter again, and let's say I only want videos that are short that were published this week. I could click this week. Now I'm down to 93 videos. Or I could come in here and I could say, actually I just want the ones that came out today. I want the newest of the new. So you can do any combination of these searches you want. Feel free to review some of the different filters that are there. You can also choose how you want to sort the results. By default, they're sorted by relevance, what YouTube thinks is what you're looking for. But you could also do it by upload date or view count, who's got the most views or who's been rated the highest. So consider some of those features as you are searching. To clear out a filter, simply hit the X next to that filter item. Another strategy is to put quotation marks around your phrase or your words. Now this will search for an exact match to what's in quotation marks. So notice now I'm down to 95,000 and it's finding the exact phrase of blended learning rather than posts that have the word blended and learning in it. They have to be in consecutive order like this. Another search strategy that will limit your results even more is to begin with in title : and then when I hit enter, notice now I'm down to 7,400 and it's finding this exact phrase just in the title, not the description. Now notice if I put a space in there after the colon, it's not an accurate search. So you want to make sure that's butted flat up against each other with no extra spaces. You can also use Boolean operatives in your search. So if I put in Vikings, for instance, and hit enter, I'm getting a mix of historical and football Vikings. Well, let's say I don't want the football results. I can come up here and I can put minus football, hit enter, and now it will take out any of those Viking results that are football related. Conversely, let's say I do want football results and I specifically want to see Minnesota Vikings and Packers posts. So I could do plus Packers, so now it's going to find Vikings plus Packers, and you will find these football ones that talk about both topics. So while you can just put in a keyword, hit enter, and go, using these filters and advanced search strategies can help you get more targeted results in your YouTube searches.